Before I got my Apple TV 4K, I used to always ask the question, why spend money on a separate streaming device when most modern TVs today have an inbuilt streaming function? But after getting my Apple TV 4K and using it for a while, I can honestly say that it is one of the best investments you can do for your media consumption in your living room. And today's video, guys, I'm going to tell you exactly why you should get your own Apple TV 4K. Let's hop into it. So first up, the design, and Apple, as always, delivers here as well. The Apple TV 4K is compact and blends seamlessly into any entertainment setup. Its premium build quality ensures durability, even though it'll often stay out of sight. For me, its minimalistic aesthetics actually really helps elevate your setup. It looks clean, it's small, and doesn't really stand out too much to mess out your flow into your setup. I do, however, wish that it was possible to have different colorware, like maybe even having a silver version and a black version. But honestly, the black version still looks super clean. It's, in essence, minimal, functional, and basically a quintessential Apple design. You see, the heart of Apple TV 4K, it's its very own OS, the Apple TV OS. This is what truly sets Apple TV apart from every other streaming device out there. The interface is so clean, snappy, and intuitive. While other streaming devices often feel cluttered, TV OS maintains elegant simplicity. Siri integration makes content discovery effortless. Just ask for what you want and it searches across all your apps. Every interaction on your Apple TV honestly makes it just worth it every single time. It's just fast, snappy, responsive, premium, and very polished. And within that Apple TV OS system, you have obviously the apps. And apps can be a make or break for any streaming device. And luckily, the Apple TV 4K has the best apps out there. It's basically Apple. So you have the Apple Store. And if you're already used to having your iPhone or an iPad, you know the quality of apps you can get on those devices. Those apps can most often also be used on your Apple TV 4K, which means every major streaming app runs flawlessly on the Apple TV 4K. But what's really special are actually additional apps like Apple Fitness Plus, Apple Arcade, which transform this device into both a fitness hub and, honestly, a temporary gaming device or gaming station or gaming setup for those gamers out there with families. So whether you're streaming TV shows, watching a movie, or doing fitness, or even want to game a bit, Apple TV 4K provides all those options for you. Now let's dive into the Apple TV 4K second generation TV remote. This remote is a huge improvement and redesign from its predecessor. The redesigned Siri remote is revolutionary. Its aluminum build feels substantial, while the touch-enabled click wheel offers precise, intuitive control. The addition of a dedicated power and mute buttons transforms it into a true universal remote. The super cool part is having the Apple remote can actually power on and off your very own TV. So you don't even need to use your regular TV's remote. Everything can be controlled through your Apple remote, which is just super awesome. So this remote isn't just better than the regular Gen 1 remote. It is honestly my favorite streaming remote out there. Now, what's the point of a streaming device if the picture and audio quality isn't up to par? Well, luckily, the Apple TV 4K second generation absolutely delivers here as well. With Dolby Vision and HDR10 support, the visual quality on the Apple TV 4K is absolutely stunning. Whether you're watching a blockbuster movie, nature documentaries, colors and contrasts pop off the screen and are so crisp. The automatic frame rate, dynamic range, matching ensures optimal quality for every piece of content you are watching. It's honestly like having a premium experience in your living room at all times. Whenever you get a new Apple product, the main question that I always have is what is its function within the Apple's ecosystem? What can I do with this device that I can't do with any other device of similar characters? And most often that answer is, well, it has a certain functionality within Apple's ecosystem. And this is exactly where Apple TV 4K becomes exceptional and honestly dazzles and dances over any other competitor out there when it comes to streaming devices. AirPlay seamlessly shares content from your iPhone or your Mac or your iPad. The device serves as a HomeKit hub, putting smart home control at your fingertips. Features like iCloud photos, multi-users profiles makes it feel truly personal having your Apple TV paired with any other Apple devices. For Apple users out there, I honestly think that the Apple TV 4K is a missing piece within your Apple ecosystem if you don't have it already. Being able to have something from your computer being shared to your TV or from your phone being shared to your TV instantly is just subliminal and fantastic. The Apple TV 4K that I have is the second generation Apple TV 4K with a 32 gigabytes of RAM or saving space. For me, this is more than enough for a streaming device. I don't have too many apps on it that needs or takes heavy space, but I feel I have all the essential apps like Netflix, HBO, Amazon Prime, the apps that I would tend to use to stream and watch my content. Drop a comment in the comment section of some of your favorite TV shows or movies you watch on your Apple TV 4K. For me, the Apple TV 4K is absolutely worth it. And if you are an Apple user that has the Apple ecosystem built in within your home, if you don't have an Apple TV 4K, you are really truly missing out on a tremendous experience. From its elegant design to stunning picture quality and seamless ecosystem integration, the Apple TV 4K delivers an unmatched experience. This isn't just another streaming box. The Apple TV 4K is honestly a complete media hub that transforms how you enjoy and consume your entertainment. Let me know if the Apple TV 4K has been worth it for you in your setup. And obviously, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you enjoyed the content so far, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.